The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh, Blacksburg, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg is in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Source: Facebook and Twitter. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding increase. 60 reports of hail in the Martinsville Speedway are indicated in Martinsville Airport. Toll free. Black Hawk pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. 8. Severe thunderstorm warnings for Collin County over 6 hours. Prepare immediately for blackface. Racists report blackface to Twitter. Cancel. Stay away from blacks. Toll-free. Source 2